Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. Welcome to my channel. And if you find these videos are helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and put a thumbs up. Okay, so today's video is about Canva. Uh, we all know those who do not have a special skill in Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator or other medium like that. They also can use Canva. It doesn't mean that people who are graphics designer shouldn't use Canva. Yes, Canva can be used by anyone. That is the purpose. Like it has easy user interface. So when you will go to Google and type like Canva, okay, so just easily it will come. And the first link, if you click, you will get the link to sign up. So you can sign up Canva for free, and also you can use the pro version. But say you are going to use the free version. So for free version also you have access to everything almost like the pro people use, except few extra tweaks are there. So if you look at the plan and pricing over here on the top portion, see it's free for most of the, like for everyone. And then there's pro version, and it's for teams, and it's free for education and non-profit organization, means NGO. So NGO people and for teachers, Canva is totally free. So all you have to do is you have to apply with documents that you are a teacher or you're part of any non-profit organization, and you will get the access to the pro versions. Now if you look at this dashboard, this is my one, as I have the account pro account, so I can access directly. So create a design. If you click here, uh, you see that these options are coming, and at the bottom you can actually design whatever size you want. It comes into pixel uh, or other versions, so you can then custom design from here, or you can choose from the design they have over here. All you have to do is type over there. For example, say YouTube banner. If you type this one, so you will have options to create YouTube banner. Okay, so I'm clicking this one, and you'll see it is opening into new tab where you can actually edit the design, choose the design and edit it. So see, this is YouTube panel. There are many of them. You can choose any one from here, and also you can start from blank. Okay, for logo design, infographics, lesson plan, you just name it. You can design it from here. If you just go to the search bar where I showed for YouTube banner, you can type and you'll find one. Otherwise, you can start from scratch like a blank design, like I just took this way. So even if you are using the free version, you will get access to all the thing I'm just showing you. Say I want to design this one, so I can choose any element from here. When you click the elements, so these are I have presently used. For example, say I'm going to use bird for no reason. I'm just using flying birds. Okay, birds flying. So see, there are many of them, so just let me choose this one. Okay, so I can change the color. I'm changing them to, okay, black is good. The background, let me put it to blue, or you can even custom design about this one. Like, see, you can just drag the colors the way you want. Okay, so, and if you say you don't like this way, you want to put a background, so you can even choose a photo. um, Say, which one should I use? Okay, this one. You can drag to fit to the size. Okay, and with this button transparency you can design it. Okay, so okay. Not good then, but say I'm not good in these things. So there are some birds flying behind, and these are very close. So it's like that. Birds are flying in the sky, and you can choose to type a text. If you click this text button, you can choose from any of the titles or design from here. Also, you can upload your own media through this button. Okay, so this one I uploaded, so you can see at the bottom, and you just change the name if you want, or just use the way as it is. And when you are done, click share button, download, and they're saying PNG. You can see you can download JPG, PDF, any format you want, as a even also MP4 video. Okay, so I want to show another thing. Like if you are using the pro version, then you get extra few options like the pro pictures and some pro designs. And except that, you also can, when you are downloading, you can remove the background. When you press this button, see transparent background, this option is there. Also you can compress the file lower quality. So when you click transparent background, the background will be gone. You can put it anywhere. And like if you want to, upload your picture and remove the background, you can do that through this button as well. All you have to do is press download, and it will be downloaded the size it has. So this is Canva, and if you are looking for to design any photo or edit any photo, or create any logo, banner, or images for your social media. If you like, look at this. If you click social media, it has the options for creating custom design for specific social media like Facebook, Instagram, uh, or Pinterest. Okay, my net is slow, it's loading. So you will have thousands of options to choose from when you click each of them, and underneath them, if you go, you will get more designs. uh, so if you have already used Canva, congratulations and good. And if you haven't tried Canva yet, please go ahead, use it. You will see that you can design many interesting things through Canva. Also, the pictures you're posting different places, you can before posting, you can just upload over here and edit them as you want, and just then you can post them, like see Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Also you can go and search for Pinterest as well. You can do your custom designs from here. Okay, and even see it has all these buttons. Just check, go through them when you are free, uh, and you will get maximum of those access even if you have a free account. So I hope you like the video, and if you like it, just smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye.